What's going on, Flare Fishing fam? Although today we are not fishing, we are going goose hunting. That's a goose right there. I'm in Kansas again. We are going after some Canada goose, not Canadians, and then some snow geese. It should be kind of a fun day. We got 3 trailers though. 3. You guys saw me hunt with Outlaw last time. That was 1. We have 3 trailers. So we got a few decoys with us. We got a lot of work to do. So I'm not gonna keep talking to you guys. I'm gonna get down to business, start setting up decoys, set up. Well, we're not even in layout blinds. We're laying in some white suits, painter suits, and we're just gonna be kind of laying on the ground. Super windy outside. I'm sure the audio is gonna be trash today, but should be a fun day. Michelin man looking ass. Look at this boy. Boy! We look like the Michelin men. But we got everything set up. We got 1,300 decoys, roughly. I didn't count them all. What? Oh, sorry. So we got 1,300 decoys. It's still dark. That's good. We didn't run out of time. We're just laying on the ground. We're literally laying on the ground in painter suits. That's our camouflage right now.
It doesn't get any more redneck than this.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never done anything like this, so I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll find out. There you go. We got a rare goose. Kansas, they're not very rare. Colorado, they're a little bit more rare. Just a little bit. Welcome to Kansas, baby!
Woo! Give me some.
That's what's up.
Oh, we have some. Don't miss. Smoke him, you got him! I got you, don't worry. Come on, Cam.
Got another speck.
Oh, wow! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Y'all freaking suck!
What the hell?
You guys suck!
Get that one! Get that one!
Good one there.
Ooh, that one looks. That one looks. That's a good one. Look at all them chickens.
You showed him sky chickens right there.
There we go.
Nice spin.
Some more spec action,
Yes,
and
sir.
a little lesser.
A little lesser right there.
A little lesser.
A
A little bit of both. A little combo. I'm liking it.
Oh yeah.
It is currently 10:46 a.m. We're picking up. I know that seems kind of early. Some of you goose hunters might be thinking we should stay a little bit longer, but we are we're picking up. The wind is blowing about 35 miles an hour. It's just, we've had a lot of groups come look at us, but they pretty much stopped feeding for right now. May or may not go hunting later this afternoon, not exactly sure, but we're gonna pick up these decoys. I don't know how many geese we shot. We shot a whole bunch. I will show you guys like the pile of geese and all the different, we shot a couple different kinds of geese today that I'll show you in a bit. We are gonna pick up the decoys though. We've got a lot. You guys can't even see, you guys should see the white ones. There's all the dark geese. Whole bunch of them. We're guessing around 1,300. So we're gonna pick all those up. Once we're done picking up those, I will show you the pile of geese.
Six and a half hours later.
You guys gonna kill some geese today?
No.
Well, that's not very encouraging.
Coming back. Can't move. I've got seats that fold down. One.
Get him, boys! Get! Get that. Get him!
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
That's it. How many were there?
17.
17. So we are ending the goose hunting adventure for the day. We shot a total of 48 geese. 48. The kids counted 17. That's because Nate took a speck. He had a ditch a little bit early, but we caught. Ha! We're fishing. We shot 48, which if I can do any math. That is an 8-man limit. That was my first time shooting snows. Shot a snow, a couple specks. First time shooting. Well, I mean, I shot some specks in Colorado, but you know, I think I actually killed some specks this time. And then a whole bunch of lessers. Had a great time with Bobby Guy Films. That goofy looking kid in the back. So go subscribe to that kid. But yeah, wow, I was just gonna say we gotta pick up the decoys, but you guys pretty much have it handled, so I'm gonna continue to vlog and avoid picking up any decoys. If you guys enjoyed this goose hunting adventure, leave a thumbs up, because I'm doing it tomorrow morning regardless. But if you did like it, I will come back. Nebraska is not the greatest. At least I don't have the right connections in Nebraska. So if you're in Nebraska and you got some juicy goose hunting spots, you let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep driving down to Kansas, hunting with the squad, killing a bunch of birds. So if you do like that, let me know. Drop a comment down below, and peace!